Hey guys, welcome back to Food and Travel with Festive Forever. I am Tejasvi and right now we are in BKC. Let me say this blah. Alright, the name of this cafe is quite unique in itself, but I believe unique is what we enjoy these days. This newly opened brunch cafe and bar got this amazing white decor. A hub garden and a tall flamingo watching over. Looks like we have a lot to talk and eat. So let's roll. Alright, we are finally inside. The place is pretty and good looking. One thing I noticed about their menu is that all the dishes or most of the dishes are healthy or fall under the category of healthy food. So for that purpose, I have called my first healthy dish called Zen avocado toast. If you look at it, you can see that there are marshmallows and cherry tomatoes, avocado, and then some grated avocado, some feta cheese, and I don't know what are these things, but it's just making this dish looks absolutely pretty. Also, there are microgreens. I love whenever anything that contains microgreen, I just suddenly love it. So now let's go ahead and eat it. Let's cut this. Yum. I loved it. I literally loved it so much because it contains my favorite type of bread, that is sourdough bread. Also, avocado is giving a nice taste to this dish. Cheese is little less. In fact, they have also added sesame seeds. If you love avocado and you like sourdough bread, then this dish has to be your go-to. Yum. Now let's go ahead and try these marshmallows. Actually, I feel that they have added this for decor, but anyways, it's just tasty. Marshmallows, I would suggest that you just eat it like that and not with your toast, because you know it's a little sweet. Of course, marshmallows are meant to be sweet, but बहुत ही tasty है. I love this toast. Super yummy. Dish number 2. Here we have mushroom galoti kebab, some green chutney, mostly जो टिक्का चटनी होती है वो वाली चटनी, and then some onion on the top and these small rotis beneath that. So along with these mushroom galoti kebab, we also have our amazing Bust My Bubble mocktail. So first we are gonna have our galoti kebab, and along with this we are gonna sip our Bust My Bubble. So let's go ahead. We have always tried mutton galoti kebab, but I think there is something that can be replaced in veg. Let me dip this in this. I'm so liking it. I feel like I just want to keep on eating it. बहुत ही ज़्यादा tasty है. This is so good. So the texture of galoti kebabs are pretty much similar to mutton galoti kebab. I liked it. It's a perfect replacement for my mutton galoti kebab. If you don't eat non-veg, then please guys go ahead and order this one. These are like super delicious. just similar taste, just similar texture. In fact, what I loved about this dish is that it's super spicy. Even if you have it without tikka chutney, it's gonna taste yummy. Superb. These are just delightful. As the name suggests, the drink contains a lot of bubblegum taste. You know वो bubblegum chewing gum आता था जिसमें watermelon का एक slice डालते थे. So it pretty much resembles that. Also, it's very chilled. Obviously, they have added ice, so it's bound to be little chilled. Goes very well with my spicy galoti kebabs. एक बाइट स्पाइसी गलौटी कबाब का ले लो, उसके बाद बबलगम ड्रिंक पी लो. Perfect. Alright, the next dish that we have called for is chili cheese chicken. By the name of it, the dish contains cheese, chili and chicken. I feel that this chicken dish is white in color and also the cheese is stuffed inside. This dish is bound to be very cheesy. Also there are microgreens. I feel that the microgreens always add more beauty to the dish. Now let's go ahead. This is like a chicken roll, you know, like it's a rolled chicken. Inside there is cheese, like stuffed cheese, and also since they have added chili, it's bound to be spicy, and I can see a lot of cheese sauce. This dish is going to be very cheesy. Though this dish claims to be spicy, it's a non-spicy dish. It's very creamy and cheesy, and I feel it's just perfect. The chicken is cooked properly. Microgreens are giving nice taste to this dish. In fact, this dish is extremely cheesy and tasty. I loved it. The entire creamy texture and probably they have also added like tiny pieces of chicken. So I guess my cream and cheese lovers, this is your dish. Yum, these pancakes are looking so beautiful. Look at the color, guys. लग रहा है ना एकदम pretty. This is pink in color, and then there is blueberry, raspberry, marshmallows, and then on top we have some whipped cream, some chocolate syrup. Oh my god. By the way, these pancakes are called pink pataya pancakes. I just feel like for their presentation, I want to give them 10 on 10. मतलब presentation के लिए तो 10 on 10 बनता ही है. Also, we have some honey to add some extra sweetness, which I'm gonna pour on the top. Wow. Now let's dig in. I'm gonna add some berries to it. Wow, these pancakes are just wow. Now I'm gonna eat with some marshmallows. Wow, with the marshmallow it's tasting killer. It's a blend of many tastes and flavors. You can also taste some chocolate syrup, some honey, and of course some whipped cream. And if you add berries to it, then you can also have some sour taste. These pancakes are very soft in nature. Soft, moist, not at all hard. Loving it. Festive meter time, this place is quite pretty, beautiful and chic. Almost everything in the restaurant is white in color. One thing I noticed about this place is that there are a lot of girls in comparison to guys. So I feel that if you have a girl gang, then you can just come here and sit at their different section. They also have a section where there are many swings. So I feel that if you are somebody who likes to sit on the swing, then you can like this place. 90% of the menu is quite healthy, so if you're into fitness or something, this place would definitely work for you. Ambience wise, the place is just perfect. Food wise, the place is awesome. Pricing wise also, the place is quite decent. So I'm gonna rate this place 10 on 10 on my festive meter. Okay, I know lately I have been giving a lot of 10 on 10, but I feel that the places I have been visiting are just superb, and all of them are one way or the other too good. So the place is phenomenal. I loved it, and I'm definitely going to recommend you to come here. So guys, that's all for today. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And if you visit this place, please don't forget to tag me on my Instagram, that is Festive Forever 4. So guys, that's it. I'm gonna see you in my next vlog. Till then, live life festive style. Bye bye. This newly opened brunch cafe and bar got this amazing white decor, a herb garden, and here we have mutton galoti kebab. You have always heard about, sorry, mutton